Michael, what are you doing? It is Sunday night. Wrong wrist. 8:30. Ouch. So my alarm for my bedtime went off. About 30 minutes ago. But we were excited, and we also needed it to be a little bit dark. What in the world did we need it to be dark for? We're working on the barn. Trying to level out the floor. Trying to make some decisions. And it's going to get really dark. But I'll show you what we're doing. So there's some hard spots in here. And some real uneven terrain. So some of it's really hard and some of it's really soft. But so what we got is we got this laser here, and we got it kind of situated to where it lines up with the bottom of these columns. And I don't know if you can see that red line over there, but that's the unevenness of the floor. And so what I'm doing now is, while it's dark, I'm mapping out kind of like, you know, those trail maps, if you've ever seen one of those. I'm scraping along that line, and then so the next day, tomorrow, I can come back and just take all that off. And then what I'll do is I'll put that dirt in the low spots, and then I'll just bring in new dirt, because the stuff that's compacted is compacted. And that's kind of what we want. Let me come by the window. Oh, see, yeah, laser. Whee! Scanned. Anyway, but yeah, so we got laser, and then we got the floor. And I'll come back and I'll level it out. And then whatever's under that, we'll put in more dirt. So that's the plan. New shop floor will be dirt. Good on your knees, good on your hips. Easy to clean. You just don't clean it. You know, kind of keep that old barn look. And today we picked up a beautiful Buffalo Forge and a crank blower for it. So that it will be super exciting to be able to use that. And I'm thinking maybe do some classes with it, because nobody teaches hot work anymore. So we might do some industrial arts classes. So, but anyway, still got the welding classes, got a couple people interested in those. Super pumped about teaching those. Yeah, so we'll see. Keep tuned, and we'll keep you updated. I'm going to finish mapping out this. It's kind of cool. And then we will go to bed and start again tomorrow. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and let's keep building relationships one project at a time.